What's up, MarineMax friends and family? This is Thatcher Smalley with Grand Lake MarineMax. Today we're going to be taking a look at a gorgeous Crest 220 Classic. This is the 22-foot boat in the lineup of Crest. Ton of great seating options, ton of great features. We're going to take you around a little bit of the exterior as well as the interior of this boat and show you everything it has to offer. Starting back here at the transom, you're going to see this is going to have a 150 Mercury. On this 22-foot boat, there's going to be plenty of propulsion to get everything done you're looking to do out on the water. Making our way up onto the deck, you're going to have a telescoping swim pool style design with a stainless steel ladder. It's going to be very durable and give you easy access in and out of the boat. You got some beautiful stainless steel hard caps, which is really going to play into the durability of this boat. Looking back here, you got an awesome ski tow bar. This is going to be great for any water sports you're looking to do. And making our way into the cockpit, you're going to see a very unique seating design, which gives you a ton of great seating options. As you can see, you're going to have two standard bench style seats with one side being able to lay down and give you a full lounger here in your aft seating area. Making our way through this walkthrough, you're going to see the doors have full piano hinging, which is also going to play into the durability of your boat and going to have you boating for years. Making our way up to the helm, you're going to see your captain's chair as well as your co-captain's chair. Some great cup holder options on the side. And looking up at the helm, you're going to see the beautiful fiberglass helm design with your manual switches, including your cooled captain's cup holder, which is a great feature on this Crest 220. Built-in Fusion audio, and standard for this year, the Lowrance Hook 5 digital dash. Obviously your cooled captain's cup holder, as well as your wireless charging. And looking towards the bow, you're going to see some built-in dedicated table storage here, able to pull up as well as store that away at any given time and really keep you from using any of your walk-through space here in the bow. Up towards the bow, you're going to see your bench style seating, which is really going to maximize your seating capacity here at the bow of your boat. Be a ton of great space tied up on the water with your friends and family. And looking frontwards, you're going to see the built-in Fusion audio speakers with built-in LED lighting. Here's a full walkthrough of this boat. If you like this boat or any other boat you see in our online inventory, feel free to contact me directly, Thatcher Smalley, at 918-541-6588.